Hey, welcome to dashcamtv. As you can see, it's another four-wheeler edition. There's Whistler, the star of dashcamtv. Tonight we're filling the water tank in the horse trough. If you've seen some of my videos before, you've probably seen the tank on the back of my four-wheeler and have wondered, what is that? Well, tonight you're going to learn what I do with it. I've never filmed with this camera in the dark before, so let's see how this goes. I do have the lights on the four-wheeler, obviously, and I'm wearing a headlamp as well, so that probably helps a little bit. Alright, just put her into reverse here. Kind of same thing. Backing up while watching the camera at the same time. So there's the water tank on the back of the four-wheeler. And obviously at this time of year the hose bib outside is frozen. So what I do here in the mud room, which is also a laundry room, is I hook up the hose to that laundry sink and I fill it from there. So I've got some water running into the tank now. The tank is just gravity fed with that second green hose. We'll just fill this tank up and drive it back to the paddock. I do have the water tank in a nice spot where I parked the four-wheeler on one side of the fence, and it's on enough of an incline that the water tank just drains out. So now we just basically wait for the water to fill up. This is a 70 or 75 gallon water tank. As you can see by the shape of it, you can never actually get the full amount in. I didn't need to fill it all the way because the water trough back there is still half full. But I did want to top it up to make sure they had enough for tomorrow and the next day. I do fill it every 2 to 3 days, giving them, 50 to 60 gallons of water every 48 to 72 hours. It is very amazing how much water horses drink. From my experience, it seems they drink about 10 gallons per day, each of them. So over 2 days, 40 gallons disappears quickly. And we're heading back to the paddock. It is cold, it's well below zero. Well, not too much, but I don't have my glove on my camera hand, so I can feel it. Hey, Whistler, this way. Come on, this way. The star of dashcamtv. So yeah, I'll just pull up here. There's the water trough. And I'll try to show you how I'm angled nicely and how this will drain very well. As you can see by the water level, we're angled very nicely. The hose is just draining out into the water tank. And then if I just get over the fence here with enough light, maybe you can see in there, I do have a heater as well, so that keeps the water from freezing. And now we just wait for it to drain. This is like the most simple job on a farm. The water tank is drained. I've got the short green hose detached. The water trough is quite a bit more full than it was before. Thank you so much for watching dashcamtv. Please like, comment, subscribe. I gained quite a few subscribers over the holidays, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to this channel. It's been amazing. It's been an amazing journey so far. This channel is only just going on 2 months old. Already over 60 subscribers at this point. Obviously I have my sights set in at 100 subscribers now, and I would really appreciate it if you would come along for that ride and for that journey. dashcamtv, and if you do subscribe, you'll get to see lots more of this little guy, Whistler, the star of dashcamtv. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell.